see this is a spade plow, right? It has the wings that come out like this, and it has the spade there, right? And the hook is straight up and straight out, 90-degree angle.
Right.
So it will dig in, and we can watch it, how it works as it digs in. So this is the pressure pulling on it down low, and it digs deeper, right? So the more pressure that comes on it down low, it will dig deeper. This one works the same way. Now, it's almost the same. You see the wings, and then the sharp spade, right? And this piece right here is so that if the anchor starts to roll over, it's supposed to roll and come back. So an anchor like that one will come in and set like that, and this one will roll until it gets back on its bottom side. Now, if you add a chain to your anchor, right, you keep weight down low. And when you keep the weight down low, the anchor plows in. See how deep it digs? And when you don't have a chain, you're pulling rope. The rope kind of floats and lifts up like this instead of laying on the bottom.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.